guys. I hope you are having a lovely day. Just want to take up this little training to show you how you can make payments on Selar. In case you're interested in any of our products and you want to make payments, this is how to do it. First of all, you click on the Buy Now button. Click on the Buy Now button and it will open this page. This is where you put in your contact information. You click here and put in your name. Put in your name. You put in your name. After putting your name, you put in your email address. Put in your email address. Put in your email address there. Put in your email address. Then you select your country. Select your country. My country is Nigeria. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up until you locate Nigeria. You can do that for whatever country you belong to. But since I'm from Nigeria, I'll locate Nigeria and click on it. After clicking on it, you now put in your phone number. Put in your phone number. Put in your phone number. When you're done that, you click the Pay Now button. And click on the Pay Now button. This page will open. Let's wait for it to open. Now, when this page opens, you input your card number. This is where you put your card details. You put your card number, put the month and the year, put the CVV found at the back of your card. Then you click on Pay the amount. For instance, here is Pay Nigeria 1,100. You click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the next page that you can complete your payment. But if you don't want to pay with your card, if you don't want to input your card details, because some people don't like inputting their card details on some websites, but I assure you Selar website is very, very secure. You can go on and put in your card details and make your payments. But peradventure you don't want to put in your card details, you want to pay by transfer. All you just have to do is come to this link below. You see, change payment method. Change payment method. This link below, you see it here. Just click on it, and it will open this site. Now, this is the first option, the card that I just talked about. If you don't want to pay with inputting your card details, you can use the USSD method, or you can pay with the bank. This means when you click on it, it will open the bank and you copy it and go to the bank and make payments. But if you want to do bank transfer, I think that is very, very easy. Just click on bank transfer. You want to pay through bank transfer, just come here, the last button, click on it, bank transfer, and it will open this site. To open site that you have the details, you can make payment. This is it. This is the amount you're going to pay. This is the account number, and this is the bank name. When you scroll up, you see the beneficiary. By this, when you pay to this, when you make a transfer to this account, Selar will receive the money, and make payment to the owner of the product you are buying. So this is the account number, this is the amount, this is the bank you're going to do the transfer to. When you do that, then you complete your transaction. So any method you just want to use, all you have to do is just click on change payment methods, and you're free to select any method you want to use for payment, any method that is comfortable with you. There are options you can select by clicking on change payment method. I hope this helps. Thank you very much and have a nice day.